All right, y'all, short and sweet. Going to Inglewood, California, to the world famous Randy's Donuts because all the guys from Hoonigan are taking it over for Ken Block Day. They have all the Hoonigan vehicles, all of the cars that Ken Block drove. Some of them have been redone. Let's see what they got going on and check it out. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
For some reason, I can see myself with this one right here. For some reason, it's hard.
Can't be filming, sir. What did I tell you? Can't. Sorry, this is mine now. This is property LLC gang stuff. Watch out for little man. I'm gonna have to jack you up, boss man.
Dog, I love your energy, dog.
Hey, I must say, your viewers, if they don't know, you never ashy.
Oh yeah, no, you know what I mean? Juices and berries, you know what I'm saying?
Man, if I was a lady, I still would put you.
Alright, just got a raffle ticket, and obviously my subscribers that have seen the past couple of videos, every single time there's a raffle, I always win. Either me or Mindy. So here's the ticket right here. Let's see what happens.
241.
175, 177, 250, 240, 193,
192,
159,
198, 199, 127.
They're gonna do one more big raffle. It's gonna be signed tires from Ken Block. It's gonna be his bumper for one of his cars that you've seen in all the videos. A bunch of Ken Block stuff, you know what I mean? Like I said, today is his day. All the proceeds that are coming from here is going straight to one of his organizations. And everybody's happy, man. It's pretty dope. Meet new people, networking, good energy. Let's keep it going.
You didn't make yourself go.
How about you scream?
I'll do push-ups.
I know.
Alright, so now Gary's letting everybody, you know, line up and hop in the cars, check them out, take pictures and stuff. Doing his community service.
He's technically a child. He's still 17. Sir, these are children.
I qualified.
This is an adolescent.
I qualified.
I didn't say no. You just gotta let the kids go first. It could be. It's not that kind of man. It costs more to turn it on and rev it than it being here.
And it just got interesting. The guys from DDE just pulled up with their Lambos, Maseratis, Ferraris. Let's see. Look at people just crossing the street.
Yeah, like we don't. Well, yeah.
Your freaking shit's gonna be all in the background, dude.
All right, y'all, another episode of Import Life Media. Like I said, make sure you like and subscribe. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at Import Life Media. The event was a success. Got the guys down here from Hoonigan. The guys from DDE showed up, came to show some love. And everything was all good. I'll let your boy. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time.